Even wondered when to use have been or has been? Have been અને has been યુઝ કરવામાં ગૂંચવાઈ જાઓ છો? Let's make it easy. First we see formula. Subject plus has or have plus been plus verb ing. Use present perfect continuous tense for actions that started in the past and still continuing or just finished. Example, I have been studying. હું અભ્યાસ કરી રહી છું. Now use of since and for. Use since for start time. Use for duration of time. Example, she has been learning English for 2 years. એ 2 વર્ષથી અંગ્રેજી શીખી રહી છે. They have been working since morning. તેઓ સવારથી કામ કરી રહ્યા છે. Now quick fix. I have studied since morning. Is it correct? No, it's wrong. Correct one. I have been studying since morning. Always remember, action started in the past, still going on, means present perfect continuous tense. So guys, keep practicing and soon you master present perfect continuous tense.